yes, we have this explanation, say, this explanation of psychology. And for us, it's pseudo-psychology, because almost none of us are real psychologists, right? And even a lot of the psychologists are, okay, you know what I'm saying? They're too, anyway, stuck in stuff. Say, but we misunderstand, the psychology of stuff. Yeah. And then we got these explanations. Why? Well, because we're trying to explain things. And then it's nice if we hit on an explanation. And it's nice if we hit on an explanation that seems to work or seems to validate, be validated, right? But it doesn't make it true, And so we got to careful. It's like astrology. Did I get it right? Is that the one with Scorpio and Cancer? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Anyway, so see, that's an explanation, right? Or enneagrams, right? With Gurdjieff or whatever. I think he did some of that. Anyway, see, those are explanations that might work, and we can have many, many more. And I'm sure there's lots of people out there. I know there are lots of people out there that are explaining consciousness. You can't explain consciousness. Okay. I mean, hey, I'm a guy who chats a lot, right? I write fucking books. Okay. So, I'm saying I'm guilty too. Okay. See, but I keep in mind, you see, the explanation is never the experience. The explanation is not the truth. And I keep reinforcing that over and over and over again. Right? If I use a metaphor, it's a metaphor. It's not true. It's just a way to help the mind think about this. Yeah. See? But in any case, I know it's incredibly aggravating because we all want an explanation. But notice, an explanation, maybe it thrills you for a little while. Maybe you like it. Maybe it helps you, see things a certain way, but it never really changes much. You know what I'm saying? See, the explanation isn't the doing. Like I could explain to you in detail for hours or days what effortless power is and how to do it, how to be effortlessly powerful for real. I could do that. Does that mean you could do it? Not a chance in hell. Seriously. See, you could take all that explanation. I could write an encyclopedia. You could read it and memorize the encyclopedia, and you still can't do it. And I pretty much guarantee you can't. You won't. See, because it demands doing it. If you do it, then maybe you go, oh yeah, I see what he's saying here. See? But if you don't, you think you see what is being said, you see, but you don't have the reality of it. You don't have the experience of it, so-called. So there's a difference between explanation. That's always true, even in consciousness work. And that's why all the belief systems in the world none of them are true. None are true. Even the best of them aren't true. And there's a lot of stupid ones, okay? See, but even the best of them aren't true. They might be useful. They might be helpful to some people, right? But they're not true. It's like
even the explanation between explanation and doing is not the same as doing, the difference between explanation and doing.
Yeah, or getting it, grasping it for real.
Thanks for watching. If you want to get more serious and get involved, check the links in the description, and we'll see you there.